In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change year-end on QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to update so your financial reports reflect the correct fiscal year. To begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct company and that you have the right permissions to make company-level changes. This setting affects the way your reports are organized across the entire file, so it's best to confirm this before you proceed. Start by going to the gear icon at the top right of your QuickBooks Online screen. This small gear is your Settings hub. From there, select Account and Settings. This opens the main configuration area for your company file. Next, look to the left panel and choose the Advanced tab. The Advanced section contains preferences that influence how your books behave, including your fiscal year framework. Within Advanced, locate the Accounting section. Here you'll see the option to set the first month of your financial year. Click at it and choose the month that your fiscal year begins. This field is the key. QuickBooks uses the first month of your financial year to determine your year end. For example, if you set the first month to January, your financial year runs January through December, ending on December 31st. If you choose April as the first month, your year would end on March 31st. Pick the month that aligns with your reporting requirements or the fiscal year defined by your organization or local regulations. Once you've selected the correct first month, click Save and then Done. That's it. QuickBooks will now organize fiscal year-based reports according to your new setting. You don't have to move any transactions or change historical data. This simply redefines how periods are grouped and displayed on reports like profit and loss by fiscal year. A few helpful notes as you wrap up. This change is company-wide, so it's a good idea to let your team or accountant know you've updated the fiscal year start. If you don't see the option to edit, double-check your user permissions and ensure you're working in the right company file. Also, remember that financial year settings can differ from tax year requirements in some regions, so choose the first month that matches how you want to run and review your financial reports. And that's all you need. Gear icon, Account and Settings, Advanced, Accounting. Set the first month, then Save and Done. Your year end is now correctly aligned in QuickBooks Online.